Creating Accessible PDF Documents, Chapter 1, Document Tags. This training is produced by the Accessibility and Policy Unit of the California Department of Social Services. This chapter will cover WCAG 1.3.2 to ensure all users have equal access and navigation abilities in a PDF document. Document tags are behind-the-scenes labels that inform an assistive technology what each piece of content is in a document. Some common tags include figure, heading tag, and P tags. The first time you begin working on remediating a document, you will need to enable a few menus to make remediation easier. The good news is, once you complete these steps once, you will not have to complete them again. The first step to preparing to remediate a document is to add the tags icon to your toolbar in Adobe Pro. Click the small triangle on the far left side of the window. This will open up a submenu with various icons. Right-click in the space and choose Tags from the drop-down menu. You should only have to do this once. The Tags icon will appear in the menu. Click on the Tags icon to view the tag tree. Now that we have added the Tags menu, we need to create a shortcut for the Accessibility menu. This will make remediation much more efficient. First, select Tools from the top of the document. Next, locate the Accessibility icon. Choose Add. Now you should have your Tags menu visible on the left side of the screen and your Accessibility menu visible on the right side of the screen. When starting to remediate a document, the first thing you want to do is open the Tags menu. Clicking on the carets will further open the tags. If your document has tags, you will still need to walk the tag tree to ensure a logical reading order and appropriate heading structure. We will cover walking the tag tree later in this document. If you open up the Tags icon and see no tags available, you will have to add tags to the document. This chapter is going to cover 4 different ways to add tags to the document. For this discussion, click on the Accessibility Tools icon and view the Accessibility menu. The first way to create tags that we will discuss is by using Adobe's Auto Tag document. Note, this is our least favorite way to tag a document. When we select Auto Tag Document, Adobe will tag the document as it sees fit. This is not always the best choice and can cause the remediator additional work. Once you click on Auto Tag Document, a recognition report will appear. Click on the Tags icon to return to the tag tree. You will have tags, however, many of them will most likely have incorrect properties and will need to be manually scanned and fixed. We will go over how to do that later in this chapter. Now that we have learned how to use the Auto Tag feature of Adobe PDF to create tags, let's explore a second option. The Reading Order tool will allow us to manually tag the document. Click on Reading Order. This will open the Reading Order tool. Let's work on the settings. Change your settings to Structure Types. Uncheck Display-like elements in a single block. Now let's start manually creating tags for this document. First, start at the top of the document and use the crosshairs the Reading Order tool provides as a cursor and lasso the content. Once you have identified the element in the document in this way, choose the appropriate choice in the Reading Order tool. In this case, we used the lasso on the figures in the letterhead, and while highlighted, clicked on Figure in the Reading Order tool. Work in the logical order of the document. For a county letter, the easiest way to tag the reason for this transmittal box is to assign it as a figure and add alternative text. Remember, all plain text is assigned as text paragraph. If you are having trouble grabbing the text, try to make your lasso a little larger without accidentally grabbing surrounding text. Always ensure you grab all of the text on the line. In a county letter, the subject is always a heading 1. If you make a mistake, do not delete your tag. Lasso the text again and go over your mistake. Since this subject was a heading 1, we determined that this next heading was subservient, and so we made it a heading 2. As you are manually tagging the contents of the page, the corresponding tags will appear in the tags tree. Continue through the entire document. Sometimes the reading order tool may stop working. In this case, a third way to create a tag is to create tag from selection. In order to keep track of the new tags we are about to create in the tag tree, highlight whatever tag in the tag tree under which you want the new tag to appear. Then, with that tag highlighted, click on Tag Options. Select New Tag. Choose the type from the drop-down list. In this scenario, we are tagging the text below what is TSP, which is a paragraph tag. Select the tag you just created. It will not have a caret next to it. Use the selection tool to highlight the text you want to tag. Highlight the text, then click on the original tag again. The text and the tag should both be bright blue. Right-click on the tag and choose Create Tag from Selection. The text is now connected with the newly created tag. The fourth way of creating text in a PDF is probably our most preferred. The easiest way of creating tags in an accurate tag tree is by having access to an accessible Word document, simply making a PDF from the Word doc via the Save As function. If you don't have access to the base Word document for your PDF, you can usually create one by exporting the PDF to Word. This is discussed more in detail in Chapter 7 of this PDF training video. We have learned several different ways to tag a document: auto-tagging, manually tagging, using Create Tag from Selection, and converting to PDF from Word. Or maybe you are lucky and your document already has tags. Our document now has tags, however they were created, but we aren't done yet. We have to do something called walking the tag tree. Just because a document is tagged does not mean it is accessible. Remember, the tags determine almost all accessibility of a PDF document. The first step to walking the tag tree is to start at the top of the tree, the word tags, and use the down arrow on your keyboard, walk down from tag to tag. The corresponding content will select on the document. If the corresponding element in the document is not highlighting when the tag is highlighted, navigate to the Tag Options menu. Ensure Highlight Content is checked. We found a tag that isn't properly labeled. The date on the letter should be a plain text P, but is currently identified as a heading 2 H2 in the tag tree. To change the property of the tag is easy. First, right-click on the tag and choose Properties. Select the correct label from the Type drop-down menu. Continue through the entire document, ensuring all tags are labeled correctly and ensuring a meaningful heading structure. While walking the tag tree, you may happen to come across a special type of tag, such as a link, list, or table. Each of these require a deeper look. Let's first look into the structure of a link tag. A link tag must have a link OBJR and the link content inside the main link tag. In more formal terms, the link OBJR and link content are child tags for the link tag. The link OBJR characteristic ensures the link is keyboard accessible. This is a WCAG requirement. Chapter 5 of this series will provide a much more in-depth discussion on link tags. Now let's look at a list tag, L. As you can see in the example, when the L list tag is selected, everything that is a part of the list should be highlighted. Let's open the list tag. There are multiple LI list item tags inside the L list tag. Each LI tag corresponds to a bulleted number in the list. Now let's open up an LI tag. Inside each LI list item tag is an L body list item body tag. Note, there may also be an LBL label tag for the bullet. If it is not present, don't worry, it's not required for WCAG conformance standards. Finally, let's open the L body tag. Inside the L body tag, you will find the actual content of that list item. If your list does not look like what we described, we go into greater detail about lists in Chapter 8 of this series. The final specialty tag we will look at are table tags. This video chapter provides a basic overview to table tags. Please see Chapter 6 of the PDF Accessibility Training for a more comprehensive look at tables in PDF. Similar to the list, when the table tag is selected, the entire table should be highlighted. Let's open the first layer of the table tag. Inside the table tag are multiple TR table row tags. There is a TR tag for every row in the table. The first TR tag is a little different than the subsequent TR tags. Let's look at the first TR. Inside the first TR tag are two TH table header tags. Each cell of the table should either have a TH tag, table header, or a TD tag for table data. The two tags inside the first TR tag correspond to the two columns in the table. The first row of this table is the header row. Now let's look at the second TR tag. This row and the ones that follow look a little different from the first TR. Inside the second TR tag, there is one TH tag and one TD, table data tag. The TH tag corresponds to the header column, and the TD tag corresponds to the data in the second column. Now that we have checked the tag labels and ensured all specialty tags are labeled appropriately, it's time to ensure a logical reading order. This can be done simultaneously with ensuring correct tag labels and structures and an appropriate heading structure. Remember, a screen reader uses the tag order to determine the order the document is read to the user. If the tag order is incorrect, the document will not be read in a logical order to the assistive technology user. Cartoon with two pigeons, one stating, "What's the opposite of logical order?" The other replying, "Cog, disorganization, fraction, part, disorder, disorganization." Note, the only way you should check the reading order of the PDF is by walking the tag tree. The reading order tool is, ironically, a less desirable and less reliable way to set and fix the reading order. While walking the tag tree, ensure the tag is in a correct logical order. Looking at this example closely, you will see the tag for all in-home supportive services comes before the tag for all County Information Notice ACIN number I-18-17, which is an illogical order. To fix the logical reading order, you have two choices. The first choice is the click and drag method. Simply click on the tag that is in the wrong place and click and drag it to the correct location. In this case, the tag would be dropped directly under the P tag for April 12, 2017. The second way of moving tags is the cut and paste method. Right-click on the tag you want to move. Select Cut. Choose the tag above where the tag is to be moved. In this case, the tag for April 12, 2017. Right-click and choose Paste. The tag will be placed under the selected tag. Continue through the entire document, ensuring all tags are in the correct order. Let's review why you should ensure a document has tags. Tags determine almost all of the accessibility of a document. Without tags, a user of assistive technology cannot access any of the content of a document. Ensuring all tags are labeled appropriately allows users to navigate from element to element using specific keystrokes. For example, when headings are appropriately tagged, a user can navigate from heading to heading and understand the relationship between each heading. Finally, ensuring a logical tag order determines a logical reading order for a user of assistive technologies. Please see additional chapters of PDF accessibility for additional PDF accessibility trainings. For more information about this topic or any of the topics in our series, contact the Accessibility and Policy Unit at accessibilitypolicyunit@dss.ca.gov.